So I guess the fixed focus issue. So if you're using 4K 60 frames per second with the front camera with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it does not focus close. But as soon as I switch to 4K, regular 4K, 30 frames per second, you can see it focuses well. You can even see my pimples. Do I have pimples? Look at all those. That you can see clearly that it can focus. I'm literally like 2 inches from the phone. About an inch now. Oh my god. Okay. 2 inches. The closest focus you can do is about about 2.5, 3 inches. That's really good. Oh, that looks, see how long it takes? See, but the focus is a little slow. Remember I was doing a live test with YouTube and it took forever. So during the daylight it does focus a little faster, but there's still a little bit of delay. You see that? There's almost a second of delay. And this is with the fixed update. So I think Samsung should fix this. Let's do an exposure test real quick. So 4K 60 frames per second. What's going on? Can't see my face. So exposure, I think got worse. Jeez. So I don't know with the camera setup this year. I'm gonna have to definitely compare, but I'm telling you, if I use the Galaxy S10 or the Note 10 Plus, I'll be able to see more of the foreground and the background together, almost like an HDR effect. But I think they didn't test it this year. Seriously, are they gonna be able to fix this with the? I don't know. So yeah, focusing works a lot better with the 4K 30 frames per second, but exposure is way off. What happened, Samsung? I'll keep doing more tests. I'm gonna definitely do the same test with the Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 Plus and see what the differences is. But for right now, I'm pretty sure this is a new issue with the Galaxy S20 series. Anyway, have a great day. I gotta go do some stuff. Have a great day.